lit in the corner, we'll dance around the floor. Grandpa pours himself a drink and my uncle shouts for more. Cousin John takes out the fiddle and the women grab their men. The Christmas kitchen party is raging once again. There's salt cut on the table, scrunchions in the fryer. Grandpa's still complaining 'cause there's no seal flipper pie. Cousin Eric brought his homemade screech that he bottled who knows when. The Christmas kitchen party is raging once again. We're on a cold and snowy rock, but inside it's full of cheer. Singing, eating, dancing night, all the families gathered here. We'll laugh at jokes we've heard before, tonight there'll be no tears. The Christmas kitchen party, my favorite time of year. When the whiskey starts a-flowing, who knows how it'll go. But if you ever cross a line, you'll get thrown out in the snow. We'll talk about the good years and the do you remember whens. The Christmas kitchen party is raging once again. We're on a cold and snowy rock, but inside it's full of cheer. Singing, eating, dancing night, all the families gathered here. We'll laugh at jokes we've heard before, tonight there'll be no tears. The Christmas kitchen party, my favorite time of year. You can hear the sound of snoring by the flickering TV. Grandpa's dreaming peacefully, the light of the Christmas tree. The guests have all gone home to bed, but they'll all remember when the Christmas kitchen party was raging once again. On a cold and snowy rock, but inside it's full of cheer. Singing, eating, dancing night, all the families gathered here. We'll laugh at jokes we've heard before, tonight there'll be no tears. The Christmas kitchen party, my favorite time of year. The Christmas kitchen party, my favorite time of year.